Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning here in the holy city of Medina. We're going to try the Saudi Arabia's first ever high-speed train railway, and we're doing that today. First thing you have to do before coming into any train stations, first you have to book 1 week before your travel date online, and I put the link down in the description below or in the screen to get your ticket. Hey guys, if you want inquiries, you can also visit the ticket booth, which is over there. But in my case, I don't have to join the queue because I already booked before. It's like airports. We have some coffee shop and it's still not ready. We have some cone zone over there. And look at this welcome text. Like we have bienvenue for French, we have welcome for Dutch, Ahlan, welcome, and I did not find any Tagalog words in there. Hey guys, I just passed the ticketing, which is over there. You need only to scan the barcode of your ticket, which is I saved it from my phone, so you don't have to bring your paper or you don't have to print your tickets. You can just save it as a file in your phone and they're gonna scan it, and there we go. So there is a scanning device. Okay, I got some laptop in my luggage, so they had to open it because, you know, as usual, even in the airport, laptop should be opened. We're going down to the platform 1 to 6 and we're taking the train number 81. Finally, we're here and there's a train over there with 417 seats capacity with a speed of 300 kilometers per hour. Too fast. Gonna arrive in Jeddah for just 2 hours, I guess. I'm too excited. Hey guys, I'm looking for a movie, but I found out that this is not the same as airline screen, so too bad. We got some charging station in here, and I'm looking for USB, but I guess it's not for USB. Where's the USB ports, please? We got some big screen in there and a screen in here, and here there is the mini table just like in the airplane. Limited videos, no any map show, so it's like there's nothing in here. Of course, they should have this shopping catalog to get more money from the passengers. This is if you forget to buy a gift to be given to someone, you have to buy it from here. But honestly, it's so expensive, so I better buy merchandise from souk.com. They're giving away a refreshing towel, though sanitizing pads are way much more better. A glass of juice to welcome business class passengers. Exactly 8 o'clock in the morning, the train leaves from Medina station. There's no any delay, even a single minute, so that's quite impressive.
Dear guests, we welcome you on board this Haramain High-Speed train. This train will be heading toward Mecca station, stopping at Jeddah station and King Abdullah Economic City station. We will pass along the Miqat a few minutes after departure. The duration of the trip will be approximately 3 hours. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the trip with us.
Hey guys, we're going to coach number 5 where the cafeteria is, and we're going to check what is in there. Let's find out. Finally, we're here in the train's cafeteria, and as you can see, they got chips and biscuits. Arriving in Jeddah at exactly 10 o'clock in the morning, because we stopped in King Abdullah Economic City for 30 minutes. So if we have Medina direct to Jeddah, it will be like 1.5 hours. Hey guys, we just arrived in Jeddah station. That was so comfortable journey from Medina to Jeddah, and we're going up to the arrival. Right. So you can see there's a lot of passengers here. I think they're going to Mecca or somewhere in Medina. If I'm going to rate the experience from 10, I'm going to give them 9.8 because I'm really satisfied and I love all the services. The fleet attendants were so good and they are very accommodating and approachable. Hey guys, finally I'm here with my driver Say hi. Kalam hi.
Hi.
Yes.
I'm driver.
Yes, he's my driver.
Yeah.
And we're going out from the station. And welcome to Jeddah.
That's the trouble.